Hello guys, my name is Jorge Retana. This is my individual project, Milestone 3. I'm going to start off my script to start the front and back end. So, I'm just starting everything up. So for the first part of the milestone, for milestone 2, the 7 features that I implemented were the landing page and the films page. Which will show up right here. Sorry about that. So, this is the landing page with the 5 films and the 5 actors. So, for the first requirement, as a user, I want to view the top 5 rented films of all time. They're right here. And if I wanted to click on one of them to see the details, I'm able to do so. Has a description, release year, rating, special features, and the amount of copies available, and who's filming them. As a user, I want to be able to view the top 5 actors. They're right over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I wanted to see what movies they filmed in, it would be right here. For the films page, as a user, I want to be able to search a film by the name of the film, the actor, or the genre of the film. So if I just searched up a keyword like dino, these films would show up. If I wanted to do by actor, I could search Gina, and all her films would show up right here with the same descriptions. And if I wanted to do genre, like horror, for Halloween, all of these will show up for the category of horror. And for the milestone 3, I've implemented all the customer page features. So if we go to the customer page, I also need a rent out. So if I just use my customer ID that I used, 605, and I rented out this film, we could test it out in the customer page. So as a user, I want to view a list of all customers right here, and we have 59 pages right here, and then 605 is for myself. As a user, I want the ability to filter or search customers by their ID, first name or last name. So if we just put in their ID, people will show up. We could put in a first name, or we could put in a last name. As a user, I want to be able to add a new customer. So I could just add myself again. Add customer. So as a user, I want to be able to edit a customer's details. So if I wanted to edit the one I just created, if I wanted to change it to Gmail, I would be able to do so. If I were to search it back up, it would be updated right here. As a user, I want to be able to delete a customer if they no longer wish to be a patron of the store. So we have a delete key right here, and you get a prompt. You press yes to delete it. And as a user, I want to be able to view a customer's details to see their past and present rental history. So the one that I rented earlier should show up right here. I also rented one up to test. And as a user, I want to be able to indicate that a customer has returned a rented movie. So if I mark it as returned, the status will be changed. that's about it for the project.